Hello, my name is Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make candied orange peel. Here are the ingredients you will need. 4 large organic navel oranges, 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar for coating, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a splash of white vinegar for washing. Here is the procedure. Add the baking soda and the white vinegar inside a large bowl. Fill the bowl with water and add the oranges. Let them soak for 15 minutes. Rinse them under running water and then dry them. Now cut off the ends. Cut the peel in 4 parts from top to bottom. Remove the peel. Using a sharp knife, cut the peels into thin strips. Next, place the orange peels in a medium-sized saucepan. Add 2 cups of water and 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Turn the heat on to medium-low. Cover and cook them for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want to cook them until they are just soft, but still vibrant in color. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and leave the orange peels in the syrup water for 30 minutes. This is what they look like. They will have a soft texture. Next, drain them. Place a large piece of parchment paper on your counter and then set a drying rack on top. Using a tongue and a fork, spread the peels out evenly. Allow them to cool and to dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, transfer them into a medium-sized bowl. Coat them with 1/4 cup of sugar and then toss them. Place the peels inside a jar or an airtight container. They can be refrigerated for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy these candied orange peels dipped in dark chocolate. Add them to your yogurt, your puddings, or your favorite drinks. Add them to your favorite holiday desserts, brioche, or sweetbreads. They are super easy to make and they are addictively good. I'm chopping mine up for my next video recipe, so stay tuned. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thanks for watching and I would like to wish you all happy holidays. See you in my next video.